Number 1. Zalim Istanbul. In the TV series, Aga seeks a wife for his disabled nephew Nedim due to his own health concerns. His wife Senes, hiding a dark secret, opposes Nedim's presence. Servant Neriman deceives her granddaughter Seren into marrying Agai's son, unaware of the real plan. Seren's mother Zehra, unaware of the scheme, reluctantly relocates her family to Istanbul. However, upon arrival, Zehra discovers they've been brought to sell Seren, causing turmoil. As tensions escalate, family dynamics and hidden agendas collide within the Kiralik mansion, leading to revelations and conflicts. Number 2. Gelin. Gelin is a story about Cihan Develioglu, who really wants to continue his family line. His mom Mukaddar pressures him to leave his wife Beza, promising he can marry her again if they have a son. At the same time, Hancha, who is very poor, agrees to marry Cihan because her brother is very sick and she needs money. Both Cihan and Hancha are stuck in Mukaddar's plan to have a grandson, which messes up their hopes for love and happiness. As they deal with this tricky situation, unexpected things might happen, and their real feelings could change everything, challenging Mukaddar's plans and changing their lives forever. Number 3. Her name is Zehra. This series follows the story of Zehra, who comes to the world as the daughter of a conservative Turkish family in Frankfurt. The incredible story of Zehra starts at the home of the poor and enthusiastic family and continue with the rich family of Istanbul with secrets and a terrible crime. The story is full of emotions of two mother praying for the same person. And Zehra then start living in Istanbul, but there are secrets waiting in Istanbul. Zehra is a riveting mystery series with a compelling plot, excellent acting, and captivating cinematography. Despite minor concerns about an incomplete ending, it keeps viewers engaged, leaving them eager for a potential second season. Number 4. Love Makes You Cry. Ada, a 19-year-old from a remote village, has spent her letter from her late mother. Yusuf, a hitchhiker who finds the letter, learns of Ada's plight and, moved by her story, decides to help her. He travels to her village, returns the letter, and persuades Ada to escape with him to Istanbul. With nothing but hope and the support of Yusuf, Ada begins her new life in the bustling city. As they face various challenges and adapt to a new world, their bond grows, leading Ada to discover her strength and self-worth, while Yusuf and Ada build a future together, overcoming both personal and external obstacles. According to me, this series offers a compelling love story set against a backdrop. Number 5. Ruzgarli Tepe. Zeynep is the smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zeynep. Number 6. Kizil Goncalar. Kizil Goncalar tells the poignant story of Miriam, who was forcefully married off at 14, and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zeynep from suffering the same fate as the bride of the Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zeynep from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Miriam must first earn money as a carer in the home of secular psychiatrist Levent, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Miriam and Levent are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Kizil Goncalar breaks ground with its sparking controversy but earning acclaim for its bold storytelling. Despite calls for cancellation, Its meticulous crafting promises a timeless drama that resonates deeply with viewers, transcending sensationalism to evoke powerful emotions. Number 7. Flames of Desire. In this Turkish series, Bayram returns to his hometown to fulfill a promise with his friend Salih, agreeing to engage their children Meleka and Kerim when they come of age. Kerim, who dreams of living in Germany, reluctantly agrees to return and keep the promise. When he proposes to Meleka, her younger sister Hulya, who has loved Kerim since childhood, concocts a plan to steal him away. In a twist, Kerim ends up marrying Hulya to preserve Meleka's honor, but leaves for Germany immediately, leading to a tumultuous storyline when Hulya follows him there, determined to win his love. For me, this series seems absolutely perfect, as this series captures the real-life emotions and typical challenges, making it an unforgettable Turkish drama. But the evil protagonist and morally questionable storylines overshadow this series, making it a challenging and unlikable watch sometimes. But overall, it's a good series. Number 8. Black Pearl. In Black Pearl, a waitress with dreams of marrying her fisherman lover Kenan faces upheaval when Veril, haunted by his wife's death, fixates on Hajal. To protect Kenan, Hajal sacrifices their love and agrees to marry Veril. As the tangled web of secrets unravels, Kenan seeks revenge, while Hajal navigates Veril's troubled past, questioning her own choices and struggling to find true love amidst adversity. Its captivating plot filled with twists and turns, engaging romance, and a well-portrayed cast makes it a must-watch. While Hande Ersal's performance as Hajal is particularly praisable for its depth and range, keeping viewers hooked to the screen. The chemistry between the characters, especially Hajal and Kenan, adds to the appeal of the show, making it worth a watch for fans of romantic dramas. Number 9. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 10. Lifeline. Lifeline tells the story about Nefes, who was only 16 years old when she was sold to an abusive man, Vedat Sayer, under the name of marriage. She got tortured by her husband, so after 8 years, she escapes with her son from a life of abuse. She hides in Tahir's truck, a kind man who protects her like a hero. They face danger, rejection, and hurdles of traditional values, but their love grows strong. It's a story of hope, healing, and standing against the tradition for the right. According to me, Lifeline series delivers a captivating narrative, tackling themes of abuse and resilience with exceptional performances. The heartfelt love story of Tahir and Nefes, coupled with insightful portrayals of Islamic values, makes it a standout Turkish series. However, there are some scenes where I felt potential dips in quality and storyline cohesion. Otherwise, the series is great. Number 11. Yemin. The Promise, or Yemin, was the most successful drama series of 2019, where this series broke all the previous records. The Yemin drama series follows the story of Rehan, an innocent and humble girl from small village. Due to her dying uncle's wish, she agrees to marry Emir, the adventurous son of the wealthy Tarhun family. However, their marriage faces challenges as Emir's greedy mother Kavidin and Emir himself both seek to make Rehan's life miserable. But after some time, their hate converts into a beautiful love story. This series is perfect for anyone who enjoys romantic dramas and thrilling family dynamics, as it offers a captivating blend of love, conflict, and redemption that will keep you hooked until the very end. This series has 4 seasons, although I will suggest you to watch till season 2 only, as season 3 and season 4 are not that much interesting. Number 12. The Pigeon. The series tells the story of Zulf, who was thrown into a well in a deserted place where there are not even birds flying. While she was waiting for her death, she was rescued by a young man named Kinan who appeared in front of her as a miracle. But when she discovers who Kanan is, she will be shocked by the shock of her life. Kinan, who saw Zaf, the one who talks about her beauty being thrown into the well, will turn his world. The crime that was committed 15 years ago will return, and the blood that was shed with her will affect the two families until love comes and all that is erased. Number 13. This series follows Sila, who is born in Mardin, Turkey, and is sent to a wealthy Istanbul family due to financial struggles. When her brother Azad kidnaps the Agha's sister, village customs dictate Sila must marry Boran, the Agha, to save her brother. As Sila navigates the strict traditions in her new home, an unexpected love blossoms with Boran, impacting not only their lives but also challenging the clash between love and tradition in southeastern Turkey. This series impresses with its bold portrayal of societal clashes, condemning conservative traditions while delivering compelling performances. Despite occasional melodrama, the series stands out for its insightful storytelling, capturing the essence of Turkish culture. Number 14. Adini Sen Koi. The story of Adini Sen Koi revolves around Omar, a rich businessman, and Zehra, a working-class girl. Both of them belonged from two completely different worlds. Omar offers Zehra to marry him in exchange of money, and sooner they get into a contract marriage for 6 months under a secret agreement. Despite their distaste for each other, both of them have to maintain the happily married couples act for Omar's family while hiding everything from Zehra's family. Omar treats Zehra like a slave and have a cruel behavior towards her. But later this hate converts into a beautiful love story. Before going further, it is a humble request that you please like this video. Thanks. Now coming back to the video. Number 15. Tutsak. The TV drama Tutsak revolves around Elif, a cheerful and proud young woman whose life takes a tragic turn when her family dies. Forced into marriage with the manipulative and older Sadullah by her uncle, Elif becomes a captive in her own home. Under constant threat and blackmail, she is forbidden to leave the house as Sadullah exploits her vulnerable situation. The series unfolds as Elif struggles to break free from the clutches of her oppressive husband, yearning for the hopeful and joyful life she once envisioned. Number 16. Gonul. Gonul is a well-written Turkish series which follows an orphan and successful nurse, Gonul, who plans to marry Tekin, a wealthy surgeon who has a troubled past which he hides. When Tekin's abusive history resurfaces, Gonul seeks refuge with Yusuf, a man seeking revenge for his son's death. As they grow closer, they face Tekin's relentless pursuit and Yusuf's inner turmoil. Amidst danger and betrayal, Gonul grapples with trust, while Yusuf must choose between vengeance and love. Their journey intertwines fate, challenging them to confront darkness for a chance at redemption and enduring love. It is a must-watch Turkish drama, which evokes a roller coaster of emotions, expertly portraying the complexities of abusive relationships. The chemistry between Yusuf and Gonul is palpable, adding depth to the storyline. Despite occasional melodrama, the series captivates with its suspenseful plot and compelling characters. Overall, Gonul is a binge-worthy drama that leaves a lasting impact, prompting viewers to reflect on themes of love, betrayal, and redemption. Number 17. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Defne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Defne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Defne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Defne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Defne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Defne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 18. Room number 309. Room number 309 story begins with an elderly millionaire who gave a message to his entire family through a video. In the video, he declares that the first grandchild to marry and have a child will get his share of the family company. Desperate to get that fortune, mothers rush to set up blind dates for their children. Obliged by his mother, Onur goes to his blind date. There he meets Lale, who was there for her blind date with a young doctor also called Onur. The blind date becomes a wild night full of fun and craziness, where both end up getting drunk in room 309 of a hotel. In the morning, unable to remember anything about what happened last night, both say goodbye and agree never to see each other again. However, 3 months later, Lale discovers that she is pregnant with Onur's baby. Number 19. Zemheri. Zemheri is a compelling drama revolving around Firuze and Ayaj, two young individuals from poor families who fall deeply in love. However, their love faces unforeseen challenges, and Ayaj makes a difficult decision to protect his family, sacrificing their relationship. After 2 years of separation, their paths cross again when Firuze's father faces false accusations in a construction site accident. As Firuze seeks to prove her father's innocence, she encounters Ayaj, who plays a crucial role in the case. The series delves into themes of love, sacrifice, forgiveness, and the pursuit of justice. Zemheri is a Turkish series with a gripping love story and outstanding performances. The chemistry between Firuze and Ayaj is captivating, making it a must-watch for fans of romance and drama. And I will highly recommend you all to watch this series. Number 20. Ciceklari. Ciceklari tells the compelling tale of Dila and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud, amidst the hostility of those around them. Baran, burdened by guilt over an attack that claimed his mother's life, must suppress his hatred for his enemies to save his brother and seek family reconciliation. Destiny takes a sinister turn when Baran's uncle, the mastermind behind the attack, lays a trap to seize the family fortune. To break the cycle of vengeance, Baran marries Dila, his former attraction, but their love is tested by the deep-rooted animosity between their families. As their passion intensifies, it becomes a force that can either lead to love's bloom or ultimate devastation. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested knowing about more Turkish series, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.